Ignition and combustion characteristics of a single droplet of blended fuels of Chemery Sunan, Reutilized Trisperma, Blanco, Airy Shaw, Biodiesel. By Nurkholis Hamidi, Purnami, Vidya Vijayanti and Rijal Fahmi. The present study aimed to understand the ignition and combustion characteristics of a single droplet of blended fuels of Chemery Sunan, Reutilized Trisperma, Blanco, Airy Shaw, biodiesel and ethanol in several levels of ambient pressure. Petroleum diesel, like fossil fuels, releases greenhouse gases, CO2, into the atmosphere, which increases the risk to human health and the environment as a result of global warming. Bio-oil from seeds of Chemery Sunan, Reutilized Trisperma, Blanco, Airy Shaw plant is particularly attractive to be studied since its high potential as an alternative to biodiesel. The ambient pressures of the burning chamber were varied at 1, 3, and 5 bars. The fuels were prepared by mixing the biodiesel with the ethanol at concentrations of 0%, 10%, 20%, and 30% wall-wall. The single droplets of blended fuels were suspended using a microsyringe on the tip of the thermocouple. With an electrical heater, it was lit and burned. A high-speed camera was used to record the single drop's ignition and combustion processes. It was discovered that as ambient pressure rises and the amount of ethanol in blended fuels increases, the droplets igniting delay decreases. Also, the burning rate of blended droplets increased with increasing biodiesel concentration and pressure. The maximum droplet temperature slightly increased during the combustion with the increasing ethanol concentration, but not with increasing ambient pressure. In the current investigation, the phenomena of micro-explosion also have been observed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.